Ito guys, yung kanilang shower area. Kaya gusto mag-shower, simple lang, let's go. Yan oh, pindutin mo lang yan oh. Yan. Walang help desk. Yan. Pili ka lang ng bakante. Ay, marami silang shower area. Yun, to bakante oh. Yan. See? Yan yung kanilang shower lounge dito. May blower, oh, dryer. Yan, di ba? May body soap. Yan, diyan mo lalagay. Masarap. Let's go. 6. Alright. Alright. Shower muna tayo.